Hey everyone, Dave here, and today I wanted to show you this lamp I made. I wove this out of some of the materials that were left from my last weaving project, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. It's pretty much like my other weaving, and then I just made it into a cylinder and made a way to put in a little candelabra socket. Hey guys, so I have all this left over from my other weaving project, and it's Sunday morning and I haven't even had my coffee yet, but I just thought, well, maybe I was going to throw this away or put it in the recycler, and I thought, well, let me try to do another quick weaving. So I'm just going to weave this one. I'm going to cut some strips out of this one in an even amount, and then I'm going to weave some of this stuff in there, and then I'm going to roll it up and make a little lamp shade out of it. So guys, you could just cut slits. You don't need to cut cutouts. The reason why I'm cutting cutouts is because I want the light to be able to come through more, so I want only one layer in some of these spaces. So that's why I'm going to cut strips out of this. So I'm just going to use a utility knife. I have this little one here that's handy. I love it because it closes like that, and I can keep it around, keep it in my pocket, keep it handy. I'm always finding boxes to cut up and whatnot, so I like this. They had this at Walmart, but I'm sure you can find something similar, or just use any old utility knife. But that's why. Otherwise, you could just do slits, and you don't have to do the strips. Don't have to cut strips. Let me give you guys a look up inside so you can see. It's a 15-watt candelabra bulb, and it's just one of those corded kit lamp things that just pops in. So it's very simple, easy, quick little lamp to make. I definitely want to explore this idea more. I think it's fun, and I'd like to make a bigger lamp. So guys, this is the lamp I made, but I also made all the lamps in here. I like making lamps, different kinds of lamps. This is another kind of recycled item lamp. I'm not sure that the phone is going to do great for showing you guys. And then I have one over here. So lighting is fun to be creative with. I've had these lamps around for quite a long time, and yeah, so I plan on doing more lamp work in the future. I have a lot of fun with it, and I just love the colorful accent lamps. Phone doesn't really do them too much justice, but there we go. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll get back to you when I can. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.